Project Higher Ed is a workforce development initiative whereby we expand our partnerships with employers in the community to help them try to address the challenges they've had in finding talent, basically, with the skills that they need for their various jobs. At the same time, helping our students connect with these employers, learn the skills they need, and land jobs, bottom line. The 7 tracks or jobs are manufacturing machining, manufacturing CNC operator, facility maintenance, industrial maintenance, HVACR service, welding, and electromechanical or mechatronics.
Project Higher Ed has been definitely a huge boost for SWD. It's allowed us to connect with our community as well as the college to offer, our community members, new students, job opportunities. For us here at SWD, it's tapping into that good talent that we may miss. And it's also offering those development opportunities for everyone.
This offers a package that makes it easier for companies to adapt, to bring them on board, to fully embrace the idea of an apprenticeship model. So it takes a lot of, and as someone who knows what it's like to build this from scratch, this takes out about 90% of that busy work and allows you to just say, all right, this is what we need, and kind of Project Higher Ed is providing for it, so it's great in that regard.
Project Higher Ed has helped our organization by helping us find somebody to fill the skills gap and help us find a valued employee that's going to be here long term.